Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a whole body on a budget. So the hair is on a budget under $100, outfit under 50 bucks, and the makeup, super affordable makeup and brushes. And also you can't be a baddie without smelling good, so I also have a affordable long-lasting perfume. So if you are interested, stay tuned.
What's one of
Oh, what babe?
I was walking around with a new person in there. I'm just smoking. I'm sitting there right now. So.
Alright, so
Any longer?
very. I'm starving. Really. And I'm holding back my head so that the lace spray don't run down my face. For this to be a synthetic wig, it looks great.
My
melting. While my wig is melting, I'm gonna start my makeup, and I'm gonna use the NYX brow glue. I just bought this the other day. I want this whole entire look to be affordable, so even my makeup is gonna be a mix between drugstore and the beauty supply store. So while that dries, remember this. This used to be oldie but goodie back in the day. This is the Kids Kiss New York Coverage Plus Care Aqua BB Cream, and I got this in Cappuccino. I think this is the lightest shade that my drugstore had. I wish they had the other shades in stock, but I'm sure I can find this on Amazon and I'll link it for you guys. I used to wear this all the time, but in a different shade. I think this is gonna be a little bit too dark for me, but I don't mind. This brow glue is definitely drying down. I can feel it drying down. And all my brushes are e.l.f. brushes, in case you're wondering. Next, I'm going in with the e.l.f. brow pencil in brunette. Concealer, I'm gonna use the Pro Conceal in Yellow Corrector. So that means my daughter have been playing myself and took my bronzer. I normally use the e.l.f. Cream bronzer. Wow. I swear, when you have kids. I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place bronzer. It's actually new. I got it in tan. Under eye powder, I'm gonna use the Fit Me Light Medium 20 powder. You know me, you know that I don't like to use a lot of powder. Got these at the beauty supply, and this is the I Envy Feather Style Lash in KPEM 617. KPEM 67, and this comes with 5 pair, and this is in So Wispy 8. These actually look really amazing. They kind of look like false lashes. And then for my more natural girlies, these are in KPM 60, and I got them from the beauty supply store. So put a tape number here. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. This is ColourPop Lippy Pencil. I think this is in BF3. I don't see any writing on this. BFF2. My daughter just be messing in my stuff, I swear. I can't find anything. And this is the Maybelline Jolt in Strip Down. I think I want to cut it. I'm using my Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Body Oil. I love this stuff. If you watch my body care routine, I use this a lot. This can't be a Baddie on a budget video without us smelling good. So I'm gonna be putting on my Dossier perfume, and the perfume I have today is Floral Lavender. The top note is Mandarin Neroli, Black Currant. Middle notes Jasmine, Lavender, Orange Blossom. Base notes Vanilla, Amber, and Musk. And it said inspired by YSL Libre Eau de Perfume, and concentration is 15%. And this is how it comes packaged. If you're unfamiliar with Dossier, Dossier is a perfume company that gives you high-end luxury perfume at a fraction of the cost. And something to note, if you don't like a perfume, you can definitely return it. They send you your return label and all of that, so you're guaranteed to have a great experience, which is something that I love. And I love that you can actually get a perfume inspired by a higher end luxury perfume at a fraction of the cost. Love that for us, especially us that are not really on the black girl luxury side. We are just a regular black girl and we need to keep everything in budget. This is perfect for us.
Hey Ted, when you gonna stop playing? That bitch, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got beat energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a man.
Thank you guys for watching. My dress is from Shein. It was 14.46, and my slippers are from Fashion Nova. They were $12. So, the fit is cute and affordable. Thank you guys for watching again, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.